Tianjin Yuantai Derun Steel Pipe Manufacturing Group was founded in 2002, with its headquarters located in the Daqiuzhang Industrial Zone of Tianjin. It is a large-scale steel pipe manufacturing group mainly engaged in the production of black and galvanized square rectangular pipes. With a total registered capital of 600 million yuan and a total area of 1,450 acres. Currently, it has more than 2,000 employees. Yuantai Derun is the largest manufacturer and brand leader of square, rectangular steel tubes in China. With over 80 technical patents, we have taken the lead in initiating, drafting, and formulating industry standards such as square rectangular pipes for building structures, square rectangular pipes for mechanical structures, and hot-dip galvanized square rectangular pipes for structures in the industry. We have passed the ISO 9001 certification and 10,219 and 10,210 certification. BV certification, GIS certification, BC1 certification, APT and PhD certification. We have been awarded the honorary titles of Top 500 Private Enterprises in China and Top 500 Manufacturing Enterprises in China consecutively.